The success criteria for this video is that I can use financial plans. A really important thing to do while you're doing this My Numeracy skill is to read the question carefully. So the question here, Mary bought these items from a sports store, which is the most expensive item. So really, we're just looking for one thing that costs the most. Looking through that list, we've got shoes are $98.50, jumpers $56, shorts are $23, socks are $9.90, footballs $112.75. So I'll let you work out which you think is the most expensive there. We've also got questions about finding the cheapest item. So Robert bought these items from a supermarket. Which is the cheapest item? So if we're trying to find the cheapest item, we just scroll down through the list of prices. We've got $12, $15, $11, $11 and $14. So the lowest number there, after the cheapest, is 11. We've got two 11s. So one's $11.15 and one's $11.60. Work out which is the cheapest. They're lucky they can get toilet paper. Must have been before coronavirus. Another type of question is to find the cost of things. So what was the cost of the watermelon bread and cupcakes? You can see there the watermelon was $2, the bread's $1.49 and the cupcakes are $1.60. So just going to need to write that down as a vertical addition sum. Make sure you line up the decimal points, add those three numbers together, and hopefully you'll get one of those answers. So we line up our sum vertically like this, making sure that our decimal point in all those three numbers is perfectly lined up. And then we always start on the right. So 0 plus 9 plus 0 equals 9. Next column, 0 plus 4 plus 6. 4 and 6 make 10. Place the 0 down the bottom and carry the 1 up to the dollars column. Don't forget to put in that decimal point in the same spot as it is in the question. And then we add up our dollars. We've got 1 that we carried, plus 2 is 3, plus 1 more, plus 1 more, makes $5.09. Another example of this type of question is, how much money do you need to buy a hamburger, a triple burger and a smoky with cheese? Just the same as what is the cost. So how much money do you need? You find a hamburger, $4. A triple burger is $10. And a smoky with cheese is $6. Add them together, see what you get. The next step on from that is this sort of question where you're trying to calculate how much change you get when you buy certain things. So Kate bought a large pizza for $9.50, a garlic bread for $5.25 and a juice for $2.70. How much change will she receive from $20? And the best way to do this is to, step 1 of this problem is to add up what was purchased. So as we did before, we line them all up, making sure the decimal point is lined up. And we start from the right hand column. 0 plus 5 plus 0 make 5. Next column, 5 plus 2 plus 7 adds up to 14. Put the 4 down the bottom, carry the 1. Don't forget to add the decimal point. And then add up the dollars column. 1 plus 9 makes 10, 10 and 5, and 2 more make 17. So $17.45 is how much you spent. Now that we've got the total, step 2 is to subtract that total from $20. Now the first way we can do that is to do that in our heads, and that's to count on from $17.45 up to $20. So the first step here would be to add on to the 45 cents to get up to the next dollar. So I know in my head that adds up to 55 cents. 55 cents will make that go up to $18. Then I just add on another $2 and it gets us to 20. The second option is to subtract the sum vertically. So 20 take away 17.45. So we set it up vertically like this. And the problem is when you're finding change is that you're taking away from a round number, which is the hardest subtraction there is to do because there's heaps of borrowing to do. So as I said before, if you can add up, count on from $17.45 up to 20, then do it that way. But if you need to write it down, go for it. We can try it this way as well. So if we're borrowing, we can't do 0 take 5. We can't borrow from the next 0. We can't borrow from the next 0. So we have to borrow from the 2, which is 2 lots of 10, isn't it? So 2 lots with money. It's easy to think about the tens column being $10 notes. It's easy to think about the ones column being $1 coins, easy to think about the 10-cent column being 10-cent coins, and we don't have 1-cent coins anymore, but that's what's in the ones column. So we're going to have to get some change, or borrow, from our $20 note over there, or 2 lots of $10 note. So we're going to break that $10 note, and we'll borrow from that and get 10 $1 coins and 1 $10 note. It still adds up to $20, but it still doesn't get us anything in the cents or the 10 cents column, so we're going to need to do some more borrowing. So this is how we do that. Instead of 10 $1 now, we're going to borrow one of those $1, and so now we've got 9 $1, and we've got 10 lots of 10 cents. We still don't have any 1 cents. We're going to have to borrow again. We'll borrow one of those 10 cents and turn it into 10 1 cents. Now we've got 9 10 cents left, 10 1 cents left. Now we can finally start to subtract. 10 take away 5 equals 5. 9 10-cent coins take 4 10-cent coins makes 5 10-cent coins. Put the decimal in the right spot. $9 coins take $7 coins, 2 $1 coins. And 1 $10 note, take away another $10 note, leaves you with 0 $10 notes. So we can just put the dollar sign in there. So from $20, we get $2.55 change, as well as those 3 items that we bought. The last type of question in that my numeracy task is to find a combination of items that you can order for a certain amount of money. So this one has Sam has a $20 note. Which combination of items can he order from the menu? It's the same menu we had before, the burger menu. So have a look through, and there are lots of combinations you could buy for $20 notes. So look at the choices there. You've got triple burger with cheese, a hamburger and a smoky with cheese. Will that add up to less than $20? I don't know. A double burger, a triple burger and a smoky. Will that add up less than $20? Still not sure. Triple burger with cheese and 2 smokies, or a triple burger hamburger with cheese and a smoky. Work out which one of those, probably only be one of those, should be, that is less than $20. That's the answer. Good luck.